up the Khamdaya Pauping. Ukhrul District Sports Association UDSA na Shirui Lily Cup 2021 rung khabai ngaran haira. Ukhrul Li Khare Synthetic Turf Ground Semda Tharkat ka haira. Election week Maram Sada Ukhrul District Li License Naumoi Singdak Lai Sai Korona Police Station Li Thak da Rami Sankhavai Ukhrul DC na Chizimi haira. Lekhyang Thor, Ajay the Tangkhul Express News, Okcharphy Chahong na Pamidalay, Baobing, Maysay na Nganangrumsa. Ukhrul District Sports Association, UDSA na, Shirui Lily Cup 2021 rung kawai ngaran haira. Kanjuthe nghanji November ngapay tarik magada khniwe na hapok laga, December khayon tarik matiye na tangda, Ukhrul Headquarters li savara jia. Shirui Lily Cup jili team tra na ngreora. Team Khani Ayang Lay na Zang, Team Katumna Ukhrul District na Zang, Kala Pangava, UDSA na Kanghot Atishurda, Zang Sagra Jia. Ngahan Jili, Zangi Gaji Kangreo Nao Bing, Kala Coach Bingla, COVID-19 Magaza Kawai, Arika Pyra Gaji, Lyric Jite Palungra the Hanga. Rak Yang Nao Bingla, COVID-19 Arika Kahai, Lyric Jite Palungra, Kala Abom Jili, Ngalangda, COVID Kagaza, Magaza, Des Sakawaila, Haimira Jia. Shirui Lily Cup Hiwivang, UDSA President, MLA Alfred K. Arthurna, Rakhara Tariq Madithang, General Body Meeting, UDSA Office, Wino Bazar Ukhrul Li Pamkhawang Hothaura the Hanga. Shirui Lily Cup 2021 Li, Kayui Saman Lubalak Aka Ting Hangshini the Panga, Kala Runners Up Li, Lubalak Aka Ting Magada Panga Mira the Leia. Ukhrul Li Khare Synthetic Turf Ground Semda Tharkat Kahaira. Hangda clay synthetic turf kajihi kangajawi koho maningla koho ngamanda mina semga kui mataila na ngrew phungli shijina Ukhrul semkhai synthetic turf ground ji tigidaka turf hoya kala jaya UBC Ukhrul associate pastor Reverend Luther Jamroy na tharkat ka khamina shimai hor khayina tigidaka turf jiwi akhawana da hanga Tigidaga Turfji, Awungdang Gazor, St. Joseph College, Ngalem, Agabe Groundly, Semhaida Klena. Ukhrul District Li, License, Saghai Naumei Singda Clay Saigorana, Atumui Naumei Ji, Police Station Li Takda Rami Sankhavai, Ukhrul DC na Jizami Haida. Hangda Clay Hi, Rakhara State Legislative Election na, Maram Sada, District Li Law and Order Mayon Kavai Gasana Jia. Ji Honkamai na Kamchong District Lila license now may claiming na police station li misang kawai aja hontang jizmi kaina. Aya Ukhrul District Headquarter li BJP Ukhrul District Core Committee kaziblaga BJP intending candidate pingling sunroom haida. Kazib jili Rakhara Manipur MLA elections wivang ngaran ngiye sangroom haida. Intending candidate Saikorana Yarui Pakawai Wivang, or Sara Gaji doing Shidla Quingrok Hairajia. Kala BJP ticket Ukhrul, Pungyergala Chingai constituency li, Kiba Kibana, Sampang Saruno, intending candidate Pingjina, Koka Sada or Sangrum Ragaji doing Shid Sahara, the BJP State Political Programs and Meeting, co-in charge Michael Shaizana, Pao Mia. Northeast Richumnao Bingwivang Banking Access Points Mathamai Le Mikavai Kala Credit Penetration La Jungmai Kavai Saluda Minister of State for Finance Phagwat Karatna Lander Pingli Hanghaira Karatna Hapta Akha Wivang Assam Tripura Kala Manipurli Tour Umdalai A Khunghi Shorkarwi Flagship Scheme Ngadada Habok Haiji Northeast Va Kathada Samamai Kala Unkhyang Gasana Public Sector with Bank Customer Bingwivang Public Sector Banks Doorstep Banking Service, PSB, DBS, Kalai Kala, Shijin Gakui Maram Yarile, Tang Saglu Gaji, Minister Jina Bank Pingli, Hangchite Haida. Hangda Clay, Public Sector Banks Doorstep Banking Service, we azingli, Customer Bingwi Shimena checks, drafts, pay orders, checkbook, Gathar, Hikadata, Bank Limavala, Sakui Kapaina Jia. Ka hiwivang aman nga data charge kasa lay sara kala ararui service ji India we apam sai korale mahai mi ranga Rakra November ngapai kajangwai tarik phangathang mabal kangjai bungle khai mela sagida leidale. Fisheries Minister S. Rajan na kahangati shurda melaji ningol jagoba phanidling soda sagiji ksana. Ajagum khai kg thing hangthrukda phanga yorkhuya kala ajagum ngalei huena khai kilogram thing hangjigo gada yorkhui khwai shorkarna kharin sadalaida Minister jina hanga. Khai melajili stol shaka gada hairagaji hi hangda yaruina ngalei ayaruina phamli sanglaga ungata khaiji mukhuila Manipurli sampangda khlai khai khanganao lo shailuda Fisheries Minister S. Rajan na hangsanga. Central Shorkarna Chahong National Company Law Appellate Tribunal kala National Company Law Tribunal we Chairperson Kathar Kapangsang Haira. Former Supreme Court Judge Ashok Bhushan National Company Law Appellate Tribunal we Chairperson Sakhavai Kapangsang Haira. Kala Manipur High Court we Chief Justice Saksa Ramalingam Sudhagarli National Company Law Tribunal we President Sakhavai Kapangsang Haira. Aya Ukhrul District we na COVID positive akhala masampang manajia. Kasangkhawi thili Tangkhul COVID test kasali positive joro katahi midara khana ningklum sampanga. Jithayilala hi Tangkhul mang kapa sathuda Ukhruli COVID positive kashok suitamoi lak haira gaji mahangrer fumana. Suikada masuikada hi test kasa mashingli ngadam yang laga thekhui naugi gajina. Arisha ngaina COVID care center li ngahagasa mi jishadli aya discharge sada ariru Ukhrul district li COVID kagaza mi mashing magada jishad leida TSO report na jithemiya. Ladluida khamtaya paubing Ukhrul District Sports Association UDSA na Shirui Lily Cup 2021 rung khabai ngaran haira. Ukhrul li khare synthetic turf ground semda tharkat ka haira. Election week maram sada Ukhrul District li license naumoi singdak lai sai korona police station li thakda rami sangkhabai Ukhrul DC na chizmi haira. Shirat kami janbao samang room daklaya hopefully sai khangya zimik shong sa serono.